In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Microsoft Loop components. So the first thing you want to do is go to loop.cloud.microsoft, and then it will ask you to, of course, log into your Microsoft Loop account. And then once you're in your account, what you have to do is click on this Loop button up here, top left, and this will take you over here to this main screen. In here, what you want to do is first select the workspace you would like to delete a component in. So for me, it's going to be this tutorial over here. And then once you click on it, as you can see, I have over here a list. So I have a workspace which is named delete component I just made right now. And what you want to do is find a component you would like to delete. So for example, let's say this is going to be this one which says please subscribe if this video helped you out, which by the way you should. So what you have to do over here is simply go to the very left where you can see those 6 dots. Now you want to click those 6 dots next to the component you would like to delete. And once you click them, as you can see, it says delete. Now what you want to do is press delete over here, and that's literally it. So via doing that, you'll be able to easily delete the component. If you want to completely delete this workspace or subpage itself, what you can do is just go down here and then click delete. And via that, you've successfully deleted your component workspace. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.